Mama öyle.
Hello guys, welcome to Greek and Simple. I'm Theodora, I'm your Greek friend, and here in Greek and Simple I'm making Greek recipes and not only. So if you like Greek cuisine, subscribe to my channel, like, comment down below. I'll be so happy to reply to all of your comments. Today I'm shooting from Greece. I'm amazed and so excited. This is my backyard and I'm sitting right under this beautiful peach tree that I'm gonna use the peaches. I already said that, I think. And let's see what are we gonna do today. I was shooting all the time and then I find out that the microphone is not working. So I had already started cutting my peaches. I explained that I'm gonna use peaches, but you can use any kind of like nectarines, apricot, peaches, like mix them all together, and that pie is gonna be amazing. So I already cut couple and I'm gonna keep doing. Yeah. So I don't like the skin of the peaches in the pie, so I'm gonna clean the skin of it and I'm gonna use the rest. I'm gonna use the body of the peach. So I'm just cutting peaches and like small or thick or yeah, all kind of sizes. Okay, I think I need one more. Here. Έπιασε βροχή, να 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 να, έπιασε βροχή, να 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 να. Μάτια μου, μάτια μου. Ώρες που ανάβει το φεγγάρι κι αγρυπνώ, ξαγρυπνώ, ψυχή μου εγώ θα ξαναγεννηθώ. Perfect! Peaches are ready. I'm gonna leave this on the side. I don't need it anymore. There are some ants walking here. Go away, little ant, go. And I'm gonna use the towel to wipe my hands. And another ant. There are ants because we are in the yard. I'm sitting on the ground. So next step, I'm gonna add some brown sugar. Some flour, and now I'm gonna squeeze a little lemon, like half a lemon, and now I'll be quick because the ants, they're attacking my recipe. Okay, so that's ready and now I'm gonna mix peaches, sugar, flour and the lemon juice and lemon skin. I don't know why, I don't remember the name of it right now. It's because I'm in Greece. My mix is ready, and now I'm gonna use a pastry dough, or fύλλο, σφολιάτας in Greek. I already put parchment paper. I hope it's everything visible there for you because I don't have multiple cameras today. So with my fork I'm gonna open some holes on the bottom because I want it to bake from the bottom. And now with my fingers I'm folding the fύλλο so it will hug the stuffing. Not all the way, just on the round. So I have this oval result. Now I'm gonna open some holes also with my fork on the side here. And sprinkle with some sugar on top. And that's it. I'm taking it to the oven to bake. So that was it, guys, for today. I hope you enjoyed my pita, this peach pie that you're gonna love it. I have my daughter here and we're gonna enjoy my pie as soon as I say goodbye to you. So see you in the next video. I really enjoyed having you here today with me in Greece, and I can't wait for the next video. So until then, keep subscribing, liking, commenting, and all these nice things you know how to do. Many kisses. I'll see you next time.